In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create order and cart lists in HubSpot. To do that, first, head over to your CRM and then head over to the contacts. Once you're in there, you can see the list of your contacts. So for this case, you have the option to either create a list or export it in order to filter it by something. Like for example, just click on the list filters available and then choose right here the filters that you want added. You can also choose from advanced filters by clicking onto this advanced right here, or just choose it by the lead status available like new, open, or the likes. So once you have those ready, you can just head over and export this, and you can name this as your list. When you click on export, you can just name the list name right here, and then for example, let's name this list A, and then export it however you want. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.